All right, so we start off with this Pringles can. So they're adding some wine corks to this. Now this is a cool project to try out if you do like to drink wine and you're looking for something to do with your corks. Save them up and make, I guess, probably some type of vase if I had to guess. So they're adding some twine at the top. Making it look a little more pulled together. This is a really cool project and idea, and I bet you when you have like friends and stuff coming over, they'll be asking like, oh, where'd you buy that? And you can be like, I made it. Very cool idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone making over a lamp. Okay, so they're trying to bulk the lamp up and create a shape here with the foil, paper, she added like a whole nother leg, so there's the inspiration there on that little piece of paper. Now I've seen like vases and stuff with the same shape, and the idea of doing it in a lamp is really creative. So then she painted it black. Looks a little bulky, but it looks better right there. Wow, I like the ombre color she did. Very cool. Alright, so we're at the store. Gold spray paint. Oh, this is an easy project. Wow, look at that. So cool. It's amazing how you can like pretty much spray paint anything gold and it comes out amazing. Alright, I have no guesses on what this person is making. Maybe like a table tray? Oh, artwork piece. Oh wow, whatever this is beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, I guess it's kind of like a decorative table tray. Alright, so we're back at IKEA looking at another hack. Everyone loves these IKEA hacks. So we got the stone spray paints. So she's taking two and gluing them together. Oh, very nice. Oh, those look like some beautiful fresh flowers. Alright, I think someone's getting ready to make some type of table here. Personally, I love a good table DIY. You guys already know that. So she's adding some wood filler, it looks like. Why do I feel like this would make for like a good fire pit? Okay, so she's using like those little hanging pieces here. Adding some wheels at the bottom. Some string, yarn. I'm not a fan of this color scheme. Kind of reminds me of Halloween. I think tan would have been a little bit more aesthetic. Oh, she is putting a bucket there in the middle though. So it's like a nice outdoor kind of like table. Yeah, that color scheme, man, that I can't stop seeing Halloween. Anytime I see black and orange, I immediately think Halloween. All right, so we have some artwork design here. Oh, actually, I think they're doing a mirror. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, so cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.